All right, what we're going to do today is we're going to subtract 147 from 223. But another way of saying that is we want to know the difference between 223 and 147. So to do that, we're going to use the comparison method. All right, up top we've got 223, and beneath we have 147. All right, now notice 223 is all in yellow blocks, and that's going to help us see the difference. All right, now at first glance, it looks like 147 has more individual units than 223, but we know we can actually turn one of these groups of 10 into 10 individual units. All right, so we're just going to do that and lay them down. All right, and then to see the difference between the two numbers, we're going to stack the colored ones, the units from 147, I should say. All right, we're going to stack those on top. Like so. Maybe I should get my 15-month-old to help me stack blocks, because I think he's better at it than I am. All right, there we go. And then the units that are uncovered are the difference in individual units between 223 and 147. All right, we're going to do the same thing with the 10s. Now it looks like 147 has more groups of 10 than 223, but we know we can just take one of these hundreds, right, and we can turn it into 10 groups of 10. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, and I'm just going to lay these out flat. All right, and we're going to do the same thing. All right, we're going to stack the groups of 10 from 147 on top of the 10s from 223. All right, and these groups of 10, these yellow groups of 10 from 223 that we have left over, are the difference between the two numbers. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with the hundreds. Just like so, okay? Now just so we can see the difference here, I'm going to drop these stacked ones below, okay? Line them up nice and neat here, all right? Because the yellow blocks that we have uncovered should show the difference between 223 and 147, all right? So let's go ahead and count them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 individual units. Okay, let's go ahead and write that down on our board. All right, so the difference between the two numbers is 7 groups of 10 and 6 individual units. You can see that right here. Okay, or 76 is how we say that number.